All right, got it all done. Slip this play right here. It's not supposed to be there. It's supposed to be solid. Okay. And what happened is your wheel. Well, all right. Well, welcome back to Clark Performance 101 YouTube channel. All right. Well, welcome back to the channel again. We finally got some parts for our tire machine. These are all the extras that I got to remember where they went, because this was like 2 or 3 weeks ago when I ripped this apart. Anyway. We got the old valve, the new valve. And just so you know, there's little plastic pieces inside of these. You can get the O-rings, but you can't get the little spacers, so you got to buy a whole new valve, which is kind of dumb from what I thought, because the only thing that was bad with this one is there's some spacers that go in there with O-rings, and the spacers were cracked. So all right, I'm gonna try to get you about right here. And we're gonna try to use this vise that is not attached. So let me go find some tools. Nope. for this other one. This one was actually missing one, so we went ahead and ordered another one. Oh, I should have brought the fan over here. It's like 92 degrees outside today, which is great. Okay, so there's that side of the valve. That is actually O-ring sealed. Which that O-ring is actually kind of beat up. So I'm going to try to get this one out, and hopefully I can get a better judgment on what size of O-ring we need. Absolutely not. You can see that one's all tore up too. So I'm going to do the right thing. Stab my finger with the pick. As you can see, look at that, bleeding. That'll happen on them big jobs. Okay. So I'm gonna go ahead . Try to clean these up a little bit. I think we're going to try that one right there. Which I think that'll work. Good. All right, well, that is an assembled valve. I think we can go ahead and try to get this all put back together. I mean, I'm no tire machine expert by no means, but probably run and see if I can find some air hose maybe. Or I could. I might just try to put it together and then see if that air hose leaks. So that sounds a lot easier. Okay. So, what can you guys see in here? Nothing really. So what we're working on right now is that little hose that's right there at the bottom. And as soon as I get that on, I can go ahead and put these two mounting screws in the front, which are always an awesome time to get to. You just ain't got no room. So, I guess I'll put you guys right in the way to where it makes my job harder. Put that right there. right. Let's see if I can get you guys in there. See them two little Allens? There's one there and then there's one down there. Just had to tighten those two up. So now we can probably put these two in and hope that they're on the right way. Where this spring was. Alright, well, I mean, I guess we can plug it in and see if it leaks, I think. Yeah, 30-minute fix, apparently. But yeah, there's quite a bit going on in there. That spring and all of that stuff and whatnots. So, guess I'll put you on pause because I got to turn the air compressor on and that's loud. So as soon as we get some air pressure, I will, we'll give her a shot, see what happens. All right, the air compressor finally has air. So, let's see what happens when I hook it up. Alright, that valve kicked out. I should probably So let's see if it works. All right, that is doing a job now. Now we have issues with those. Which, I mean, that is a lot better because it was leaking right out the bottom of this valve before. That I'm probably just gonna have to figure out which line goes to what, and I'm sure it's probably one of these valve or that valve, which is the exact same as that one, I think. But that is a lot better. It works like it should. I'm gonna call that a win. I'm gonna go ahead and shut the air compressor off because you guys probably can't hear a word I'm saying. Okay. But yeah, it's just leaking some air out of the blasters. Anyway, that's a fix. Good short video. I mean, I don't know, what is this thing? Baseline 300 coats. Now you guys know how to do a valve on one. It's really not that bad. Alrighty, don't forget to like, subscribe, maybe leave a comment. I mean, why not? Thank you.